Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Now we're back here in the upper bracket, so everyone still stays in the playoffs no matter what happens here. Both alliances, though, trying to cement their spot in the upper bracket finals to punch their ticket to become a finalist. 16-8-32, GP Robotics Unity holding down at the Blue Alliance gate as their alliance partners from deep, FE203, sending artifacts up from deep as well. Ice Robotics playing the far field, launching those high arcs as Meta Infinity stays in close. 5 seconds left to go in auto, and Red Alliance #1 holding about a 30-point lead as that buzzer sounds.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
114-69 is that Red Alliance lead. Now all these robots springing to life under human control. Both alliances firing artifacts into the hub, but it looks like Red doing it a little bit quicker for now. Meta Infinity churning from the gate, but coming in for some steals of the secret tunnel is FE203, taking full advantage of that protected zone to get right up in there alongside Meta Infinity. 16-8-32, GP Robotics Unity, they hail from Texas. Now they're also the gate control. Ice Robotics using the runoff from that Blue Alliance gate to pick up artifacts, take them to that far launch zone, and keep on going here in this match. 230-42 to 167, Red is holding on to a lead, but not an especially massive one as we have 1:10 left in match play. Blue Alliance keeps on churning, opening up the gate, using that gate zone as protection to keep Ice Robotics at bay as they make sure to open up the gate, trying to load up on all the artifacts they can get, but Ice sniping them away. Those artifact steals, quickly turning artifacts over to their side of the field. FE203, though, staying supplied, as is Meta Infinity, so both alliances kind of benefiting from that artifact movement. 42 seconds left in match play. 3:49 to 2:15. The Red Alliance has the lead, but it's coming down It's coming down into these final seconds. Blue Alliance with quick and more churning, but look where the artifact supplies are. It's all down on the Red Alliance side of the field. Meta Infinity using that gate zone to load up, but FE203 actually better supplied than Ice Robotics. This chokehold really starting to slow the Red Alliance down, but they are still well on their way. They have now cracked the record they set together in the qualification round. We might be looking at a new Michiana high score. 5 seconds left to go. Red Alliance above 460 points as time expires with what's
For all primary events in the world, and Red Alliance wins with the high score of 499 points. The biggest score in all events, primary events in the world right now. Ice Robot